Good morning and once again welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths with Ease by Mr. Kamotho. And in this video I want us to explain example 1 of graphs 8 of IGCSE Mathematics A91. And in this video we are actually going to talk about gradients and how to construct gradient, how to find gradient from the tangent even as we advance in the topic. And in this question we are expected to find the gradient of the graph, this graph. We have a graph of y is equals to x squared minus x, which is shown here. And we are supposed now to find the gradient of the graph at the point where x is equals to 2. The point where x is equals to 2. And this one is basic skills which are required because we have this point, x is equals to 2. Along this curve, we are expected to find the gradient of the curve at this particular point. We have said that the gradient of a curve at a point is the gradient of the tangent of the curve at that point. And I want to repeat that. The gradient of a curve is equivalent to or is equals to the gradient of the tangent of the curve at that particular point. What does that mean? So if we may want to put something down, I may want to say the gradient of a curve is equal to the gradient of the tangent to the curve, or the tangent of the curve at the point of contact. At the point of contact means the tangent is a straight line that touches the curve at only one point. So the gradient of this curve at x is equals to 2 is the gradient of the tangent. The tangent means is a straight line that touches the curve at that particular point, and we need now to talk about it as such. So we need to construct the tangent of the curve. We just need to construct the tangent of the curve and draw a very straight line that touches the curve at that point. Let us draw that is the tangent of the curve. And once we have drawn the tangent, now we can calculate the gradient of the curve, which is obviously rise over run. And we can see if we would want to construct rise and overrun, we can talk of, let us have the rise represented there, and probably the run represented by the line that we are going to draw along the x-axis, the rise over the run. And that is it. Within the rise, how many steps from here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 6 steps. And then from here, this is 1 1/4 probably, because this is 1 1/2. If we may start from here 1 1/4, this is to 2. This is obviously, let's say 3.5. This is 3.5, and this is 1.25. 3.5 and 1.25. So this is 1.25. So what is 3 minus 1.2? 3.5 minus 1.25. Let's talk about the rise. The rise is obviously 6 over the run. The run is 3.5 minus 1.25, which is 6 out of 2.25. because 3.5 minus 1.25 is 2.25. And let us find out what that is. 3.5 minus 2.25, which is 1.25. We have 3.5 minus 1.25, which is 2.25. We have confirmed that. Now 6 divided by answer is 2.7. 6 divided by answer, the gradient now is 2.7. That is the gradient of the tangent to the curve at the point of contact. Please note that we have you can get a different answer depending on how you construct your tangent, but basically that is the technique, because the rise of a run, this is 2.25, and that is just like it. So the gradient of the curve at x is equals to 2 is 2.7 or thereabout. Thank you. Subscribe, follow me. Let us meet in the next video.